So I didn't even know that this was a thing. I ran out of string on my Black & Decker trimmer, and when I looked online for replacement string, I saw that they were selling entire spools of 20 feet of string, and you just replace the spool instead of fighting with the string. So let's see if it fits, and let's try it. All right, so let's see. To remove this, let's remove it. Okay, and we're just gonna replace this with this. Let's see. Fits perfectly. All right, so let's see how it cuts. All right, so overall, what do I think? I really like them. I had no idea that this was even an option. I thought that I was stuck buying the loose line forever, like I had been doing for the past 20 years, but I'm so glad that I found those. The great thing is that they are wound up perfectly. It's not going to get tangled inside the trimmer. It's not going to be too tight or too loose. The line is just going to be coming out when it's supposed to come out, and you won't have to mess with it at all. It's going to be such a time saver, such a frustration saver as well. And I'm telling you right now, I'm never ever buying this stuff again. I'm never buying loose line ever again. When this runs out, and it's going to take a while because there's 12 spools, when this runs out, I'm going to buy the same thing again. Granted, this is not fancy line. This is just basic round line. If you need some stuff that has ridges or whatever, I don't know if you can find it. Maybe you can. I'm not sure. I haven't really checked. I always use this type of line. Keep in mind that these are specifically for my trimmer, okay? My trimmer is a Black & Decker GH3000. If that is what you have as well, follow the link and just press buy and you'll get the exact same thing. If not, you have to make sure that it fits your trimmer. You might have to do a little bit of research. This is a really good option. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.